Good morning, friend. Today I am showing you pokar dhibi. Look, this is pokar dhibi. Look how it is nice. It is nothing but it is the dhibi of a pokar. Look how nice they built it. In our mythology, in Ramayana, it is telling about the pokar dhibi. I am telling you how it is used, what purpose used, and what is this? It is nothing but it is the saliva with mixture with the insects. They build like that. It is a look here. Look how it is in the forest dweller. How it is used? They use it in their cleaning of their hair. They put into the water and mixed with the water, and they use to clean the hair. Before bathing, they use this soil to their hair, and it is cleaning. Forest dweller use this soil. Forest dweller use this soil, and it is nothing but it is working of the insects. Hard working, it is the result it's forming. This is the working result of the insect. They make like this. It is highest in the forest. It is growing more. Look here. Sometimes it's inside there is a insects, pokar, and other snake and mangoes are living inside this. It is like a mushroom. It is the result of working of the pokars. After long and hard working, they build this. It is nothing but it is the saliva mixed with the soil. Look here. In forest dwellers, sometimes eat it. In West Bengal, in some place, in the big, it is highest, but it is not big. Sometimes it is so high. It's inside there is snake and mangoes are living here. This is a pokar dhibi. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good evening for all my students.